Hello, here to show you our 1994 Corvette. Has the 5.7 liter V8 engine, really low miles. This only has 117,000 miles on it. Let's look at the wheels and tires. This one also comes with an aftermarket alarm. Somebody obviously took really great care of this car. Take a peek inside, we can pop the back. In the trunk. Power windows, mirrors, and door locks. Start it up so you can see the odometer. Has the automatic transmission, the ride control. Take a look under the hood.